Hi, welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. Today I'll share with you one of my favorite recipes. It's chicken potato salad called Olivieh. So for this recipe you will need 2 cups of boiled and chopped chicken. I use chicken thighs, but you can use other parts. You will also need some boiled and chopped potatoes, 2 cups, 1 cup of boiled and chopped carrots, half a cup of raw chopped onions, or you can use less, 1 cup of cooked peas, 5 hard-boiled eggs chopped, and 6 pickles chopped, half a lemon to squeeze the juice, 1 cup of mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, and a couple of spoons of olive oil. So the hardest part of this recipe is just to boil and cook all of the ingredients. And now mixing it is the easiest part. You just add all of the ingredients into one bowl and mix it up. So easy. You can adjust the seasoning to your taste, add more or less lemon juice and olive oil, also salt and pepper. And here you have it, delicious chicken potato salad, perfect to have with some fresh bread. I feel like every family has their version of potato salad. How about you? What types of potato salads do you like? Let me know in the comments below.